Let's close out these other tabs that we are not using. And now we talk about our menu that is not appearing here at the top. And we need to bring in a menu element again because we had changed our original page. And I'll just drop it there. Color, let's change it to something that we can see much easier. In many cases, you often add a link in your menu that may take it to another place on your site, or it may take to another website. In this case, again, let's say, for example, this lorem ipsum. For some reason, I want people, when they click on that link, to take them to that page of lorem ipsum. And that is a custom link that you can add to your menu. To do that, let's just save the page, Control-Command-S. Go to the menu level, which is in your CMS, by clicking on the hamburger menu in the top left-hand corner. Menus. Custom link. Select the custom link and click on Add to Menu. It drops it automatically at the bottom. Go to Settings, where you will edit it. And then here, you will put in the link, which is that one from lorem ipsum we have copied. Select the page title and we'll say lorem ipsum. And I also want this to open in a new page because I don't want people to leave my site. I want to steer them to some useful resources, but I still want to keep them with my site. So that's why we select on Open in New tab. Save changes. Close out. Close out. And what I usually do is just save again. But because it hasn't reloaded the menu, it still shows it without that new item. Refresh your page. You can simply go up here in the browser and Control-R, Command-R, or select the refresh. And that will bring it in with this new custom link we've just created. Great. Thinking a little bit, and there you go. Click on Preview. And we close this lorem ipsum. And now you see lorem ipsum. Click on it, opens a new tab, and there you go.